Hi, this is the unboxing for the Tummy Time Water Play Mat by SPLASHIN Kids. This is designed to help babies that are learning how to do tummy time, to assist them with, so they're a little bit more comfortable on their tummy, as well as it's supposed to distract them, to help them with eye coordination as well. So this is the large play area, 26 by 20. I got it on Amazon for $18.99. I used Amazon Prime, so it was shipped within a day or two. So this is what it comes with. Just the mat. It looks like there's nothing else in the box. The mat is waterproof. This is how big it is. She's crying. There in the back, there's two openings. It looks like the water will go in here. So, and then you just close it. You fill it up with water, and then here looks like there's a tubing where you just blow in with your by mouth. The water will essentially go in this area. So there are a few items. There are a few items in here that will, there's like a starfish, looks like a whale, and a few other colorful items in there. And once the water is in, I'm sure it will, all these items will float. Yeah. And we'll be back for the review. Someone's hungry. Okay. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?